Hey Kookz, welcome back to the channel. We are finally out of the shop. We have completed all the work and we're taking a much needed vacation. We're out here in Mount Shasta area, actually near Weed, California. I know you guys will like that. And yeah, we just met up with our friend Jenny. We went to Cascade Lake. It's an amazing spot. And now Danny's just chilling in the van.
I just want to check out my sunburn from yesterday.
Yeah, we're all sunburnt up. Yeah. And now we're heading to Bend, Oregon. I don't know exactly what we're getting into. We just know we're going to head east and get to Wyoming and Idaho and check all that out. We've never been, so we're stoked. So stay tuned. You'll see what we get into and we'll show you some tips along the way. This is the first time we've been in the newly remodeled, renovated van since we've been on the road. Since Descend on Bend, I guess, is the last time we took a trip. So we are making some food. Show you what we usually have. Got a big old pile of mushrooms. Not the magic kind. And we got some Canadian bacon and some salad. And some pasture-raised eggs, and we got the chef here.
It's been nice to be back into the van life routine, taking care of our health and disconnecting from the distractions from radio contraptions, and perfecting the art of doing nothing, and really just enjoying being in nature. But it was time to move on as our groceries had worn thin, so we decided to go towards our favorite mountain biking in Bend.
Okay, so we have moved on. We left the Weed, California area, the Mount Shasta area, and we are at our new campsite. We're here in outside of Bend, Oregon, and we got the mountain bikes out. I got my water port, dish station. Just laid down some rocks and do my dishes over here with that thing. We love it. And we got a new rug from Grocery Outlet. And let's see what Danny's doing. She's prepping.
We're making a whole chicken in the Instant Pot since it's a sunny day today.
Yeah, you can see that sun coming through.
I'm watching Netflix in my van.
And Danny's Netflixing.
Thanks for the HiBoost, I get to Netflix and be a normal person.
Yeah, our wireless antenna, the HiBoost, it's doing us great out here. We can extend our signal. We're using our Tacklife to charge our batteries while we watch the things, and everything's working out. And yeah, we're gonna cook the chicken in our Instant Pot off of our inverter while we got all that sun. Here we got the chicken, so you just put it in the Instant Pot with the plastic and you shove it in there, turn the lid on, and it'll be ready, right?
No.
So when we're getting full sun, we are able to use the Instant Pot off of our 2000 watt inverter. The Instant Pot draws about 700 watts, not really consistently. So we got great battery power and we got a nice sunny day. So we're gonna start this process here. So we'll start on a saute and we'll get that ghee melted, and then we will move on and cook the chicken.
What? Smelling really good. So the sun is about to go away and it just sealed just in time and the battery's popping back up. $39.
Well, right in the middle of the cooking, the clouds rolled in. So we'll see how this does in the clouds. Classic. So we've had the chicken in there for about 40 minutes and then about 20 minutes just off. It's still holding the pressure. Now we're gonna take it outside, relieve that pressure, and see what it tastes like. All right, so we did the carrot, celery, turnips, mushrooms, and other veggies in there with it. It's ready. So it's delicious.
Oh man, that bone just slid right off.
So yeah, we cooked the chicken for 40 minutes and let it chill for about 20. And we're gonna eat this. And we're gonna hit the trails.
Yeah. Woo!
All right, we're gonna hit the trails. They got great trails here in Bend.
Favorite trails, Bend, Oregon.
Send it. All right, so we're all packed up. I just got to put this antenna away. We're about to hit the road. We're gonna meet our good friend Wes. We had a few friends come to the campsite. It was great. Shout outs to Ian and Cassie for coming and visiting us too. And yeah, we're gonna go find a nice lake spot and hopefully get out on the stand-up paddle boards. So hopefully next time you see me, I'm at an amazing lakeside campsite. All right, we're live and direct from the campsite. We got the nerds reading. Boo! And then we got me.
Cooking out.
I'm not a nerd. I'm cool. I just saw a bald eagle. These suckers didn't see shit.
I saw the overthrow of the animals to the farmers.
So Wes has got his yurt. He parks it here. We got the deluxe yurt.
Deluxe yurt.
And we're at the secret lake.
Okay, so we just went to the grocery store, and to minimize our trash and stuff, what we like to do is just say no to the bags that they provide and bring our own bag and kind of put it all in at the end of the belt as they're ringing it up. And then what we do with that is since we like to cook everything from scratch, we like to make it easy on ourselves. So we usually will chop all the stuff right when we get it, and then we have these reusable gallon-sized Ziplocs. And so we chop all of them, mix it up so it's a nice mixed salad, and then we put them in this. And then we grab from this as we make our salads every day, and then we just have to cook our toppings, and it just makes life easy. Normally what we get from the grocery store is like some chard. We always hope that they have dandelion greens, some radicchio, some frise, some parsley, some cilantro. Those are always very standard in our salads. You can always expect to have a bitter salad when you're eating with us. It's good for you. And then we have some radishes that we're going to cut up because the leaves make them all gross if you let them chill together for too long. And then some leeks. We'll probably leave those for individual cooking, but that's what our greens haul was. Okay, so this is it all nicely prepped. We have a couple bags for a couple days. And then the toppings and stuff like the cilantro and parsley, we reuse stuff that we get from the farmer's markets, like those type of bags. Wash them out and reuse them, and we got radishes, parsley, and cilantro in there. And this is the trash that we have left over now that we didn't get any grocery bags. There's also this compost, and this is like in a compostable bag. So we sometimes grab some of those, and then we throw this away in a compost bin when we see it, or we burn it.
So we got out on the lake. We got the Aqua Marina Magma Sup. Wes over here has got his
Red Paddle Co.
Can definitely tell the difference between the two, but the Aqua Marina is a good little budget sup. We use it quite a bit. I think it's pretty mandatory to have some type of stand-up paddleboard or kayak in the van because we're out here on this lake, and it's been really majestic out here.
Yeah, get your flotation devices.
Look at Wes out there. And then we also got an epic campsite, and we're gonna get back to the campsite here in a sec, and we're gonna show off Wes's rig. He's a new
Adventure.
A new adventure. But yeah, we're out here near Bend, Oregon, Spot X Lake. It's a seasonal lake, so it's only really paddleable during these times.
The stars have to align. And for it being like a budget stand-up board, it's pretty awesome for 2 people. Like, we went around this whole lake, no problem.
Yeah, it doubles as a 2-person kayak. Also, we got the Atish playing. Link in the bio. Atish, if you want your music on the Vankookz channel,
Atish!
hit us up. We need, you know, we love that modern history, but we are looking for something new.
No.
Not forever, but it would be cool to use some instrumentals.
Yeah. Alright guys, we haven't seen a shower in like 2 weeks. So we're about to shower. West 2.
At the secret lake. Damn! Feels nice. Well, we're back. We're eating again. Danny's prepping.
We're making some shredded carrots.
And we got the epic campsite holding down over here. We got the Powerade pumping the Mayan Warrior. Oh yeah.
So I'm making a scallop salad with turmeric, cumin, shredded carrots and cabbage. It's gonna be yummy. So we got some kelp noodles, some caramelized onions, some garlic, some scallops, some ginger, some shredded carrots, some cilantro, and everything seasoning. Oh yeah. We had to leave the campsite pretty quickly because it started hailing, about quarter-size hail. So we got out of there, packed up quickly, and drove to Bend where it was more mild and got downpoured on. Wes was dipping his toes in the nomadic life, and I think he took some good notes, and he is headed back home.
Yeah, so we'll probably maybe be seeing Wes again in our future. Now from here, we're gonna sign off. Thanks for following along on today's adventure. We have no plans, so where we're going next, that's up for you to find out in the upcoming episodes. So hit the notification buttons, like and subscribe, and always thanks again for watching.
Think I found a place to lay my head under the citrus tree. Would you like to sit with me? And somebody said, oh, you could just lay